We run, we win. Hello, I'm James. Jesus is your healer, your financial, and your righteousness. Just believe you receive by faith in God, make it true in your life. Today, we're going to start a three-part series on proper politics. And today, we're going to open up with, you cannot legislate peace. It is impossible to pass a law to make people live in peace. It's impossible to make a declaration, you know, the feud is over, live in peace. It's not possible. The Bible says, as much as be possible in you, live at peace with all men. But nowhere in the Bible does it say you have to be at peace with everybody. Now you should, because the peace of God will guard your heart if you ask the Lord what to do in every situation. And the Bible will give you, the promises God will give you peace on over all your borders, and you'll be at peace with your enemies. But that's God doing it. That's not you. You cannot legislate peace. Between religions, between worldviews, you cannot just pass a law that will make everybody work together and be happy about it. And then you get mad when they're not happy. So you can't do that. It's impossible to legislate it because peace comes from the person, the inside. It is them. It is not, you know, something external. Peace comes from the inside. So you can't just say, we'll all work together and we'll all sit there and debate and debate and debate and do this and that and the other, and we'll all come to a conclusion, because you may come to a conclusion, someone may give up and let you do what you want to do, but that does not mean they're at real peace, and no 5, 10, 15 years down the road, it may erupt. So you cannot legislate peace, you can't make people be at peace, and you can't just do it, because it doesn't work, because peace comes from the inside. It's a spiritual condition. That's it. I love you. Thanks for joining me. Be blessed in the name of living Lord King Jesus Christ. Remember, live, move, be.